Are you tired of clunky editing on your phone? Discover the AI apps making content creation a breeze. Let's get into it. First up, CapCut. It's the best all-rounder for shorts. Think AI auto captions, smart cuts, and trending templates. Perfect for viral edits, no PC needed. Next, Sora by OpenAI. Type in your idea, and this app generates cinematic clips, right from text. Handy for concept videos and TikTok-style shorts. Then there's InShot. With its AI creator suite, you get one-tap edits, auto face tracking, and text-to-video magic. Quick, stylish, and ready for upload. Want creative effects? VideoLeap brings AI animations and layered visuals to make your videos pop. Bonus tools? Try Canva for AI templates, VN for smart cropping, or Vidnaz for text-to-video avatars. Even YouTube Shorts Editor now has powerful AI features built right in. Ready to create? Download one and start editing smarter, not harder.